I am shocked at how bad this is. Like, shocked. Okay, so this is a video I've been wanting to make because I'm just curious. I have not tested Grok for coding in a real way, and so why not do it live for you on the air? And by live, I mean I'm recording this video and then I'm gonna edit it later. Okay, so let's jump in. The goal here, we are going to compare the best coding model in the world, Opus 4.5, to Grok 4, and see who's better. I am super excited to see what happens. So let's just jump right in here. I want to show you first what we're going off of. So in a previous video, I did sort of a cursor 101, how to vibe code with cursor. And while doing that, I had Opus 4.5 make me an app. And this is the app here. It is a homework hero app. Essentially, it just lets parents keep track of their kids' homework. And as you can see, Opus did a freaking fantastic job. I think there was one edit I made to this, which was to make the sidebar darker. I didn't make any other edits. I think it did a great job with the style, the little logo here. Everything is snappy and responsive. The modals work. Everything's awesome. Oh, I think the other thing I made was that they had some of the coloring wrong on the text boxes, so I couldn't read them. Other than that, things have been pretty seamless. So we're gonna try to build the same exact thing in Grok. Is it gonna look this good? We will see. We're gonna use Grok 4, the latest model, the best model, the most expensive. We're gonna see how it is. What you got, Elon Musk? Let's dive in. All right, so here we are in Cursor. Brand new Cursor, haven't done anything with it yet. I'll get it to my normal layout that I like. And we're just gonna start working. So I have it on Opus 4.5. No, we're gonna switch it over to Grok 4. Where are you, Grok 4? There you are. So let's put in that prompt that we put in before for Homework Hero. Build me an app that allows parents to track their kids' homework. That's about all the prompt that I gave Claude as well, so we're gonna see how well it does. I have never tried coding with Grok at all. I've never had it do anything other than a couple of little chat experiences when I was just messing around, so I do not know what's going to happen. As you saw, Opus did a fantastic job with this, but it's super expensive, so you're always looking for other models and to see what they're doing better. These models are just leapfrogging each other all the time in this AI arms race. So today, we're gonna see what Grok's got. Let's let it cook and see what happens. Okay, coming back, and I just want you to see what Claude did with pretty much the same prompt. And now we are going to head over and see what Grok has done. Yikes, yikes. I will say a few things here. One, I thought for a really long time, it thought for a really long time and didn't know what to do. I had to restart the chat a bunch of times because it was stuck in a loading state. Then eventually it built 3 simple files, CSS file, an index.html file, and a script. I mean, this is, honestly, I could have coded this with just raw HTML myself. I could have just gone into the file and done this. I really don't understand. I mean, look at the HTML for this. I mean, do you even need CSS here? There's not a lot happening. Like, that is crazy. That's what it built. I don't even know what to say about this. I mean, let's add a kid and see what happens. Okay, now your kid's down there. Paper, do. Okay, it's functional. And it shows in there, and then you can just mark it. I mean, it's functional. It's functional. This is not inspiring to me, however. What on earth? You've got this that Opus made with obviously a lot more design instructions just coming, although I didn't give it to them. Opus just decided to design it out, and then you've got this, which is what Grok did. So let's reprompt Grok and see what we're at. It told me it built a simple web app using a basic single page application, blah, blah, blah. How it works, setup instructions, etc. Yeah, I think we get it. So let's keep all the changes and let's tell it. Right now, this is not very awe-inspiring. This is supposed to be a gorgeous, modern, beautiful, fun to use app for parents, and kids might even have fun if they're a little older putting their homework in here and tracking it here. The design needs to be more of a modern aesthetic. Let's see how it does here. I actually had to just go and make sure really quickly that this was the same prompt, that it was that simple, but it was. Okay, so we've told it to do this, and let's see what happened here. All right, so here is what Grok has done when I told it to make it nicer. Let's see what it said, because, you know, oh my goodness. It's like it doesn't even know what I'm talking about. So key improvements. It said typography and icons. Sure, okay. Integrated Google fonts, color scheme and layout, added a soft gradient background, rounded corners, subtle shadows. Okay. Animations and interactivity. Okay. Fun elements, confetti bursts when marking homework is complete, usability tweaks, better form layouts, flexible for alignment. Oh my goodness. Okay, it looks awful, and look at this. It has code errors directly in the UI. Look at this. Okay. Oh my gosh, it gets worse. Ah! Buggy. I can't even, what is that? Completing? Okay, I just completed them. I don't see any confetti. This is a mess. Like, I don't even know where to start with this. Like, what if I just screenshotted this and I said, fix this? This is terrible, you guys. This is awful. Just a reminder, this is what Opus made out of the box. It's actually fully functional if you deployed it right now. It would only do local storage, but other than that, it's freaking perfect. It's amazing. And now here, this is all you can do? XAI? This is it? I am shocked at how bad this is. Like, shocked. Okay, we're gonna give it one last shot to redeem itself here. All I did was I told it to fix the problems. It's thinking forever, which it always does, by the way. All right, so it's working on a change. Let's see what it said about it. I've fixed the issues visible in the screenshot, primarily the raw HTML tags displaying instead of icons. Which was likely due to how the browser parsed the inner HTML. You should have known that, though. I've refactored to avoid that. I've also made some enhancements for better usability and fun, icons rendering, date formatting, confetti. But those are old changes that you said you already made, right? Okay, so when this is done, we'll have to see. Now, it's writing all the code in here. It's not done yet. Why are you putting all the code in chat? Okay, it's done. Keep all the changes. Let's refresh. Cross our fingers that it's actually something that an expensive LLM with a $15 output would do. Okay, let's make sure we're going right to index.html. What? Did you do anything here? Let me just give it the benefit of the doubt and reopen the index.html file in preview just to see. No, it's just as bad. I think it's worse. Oh my gosh. Folks, this is gonna be a short video. Grok is awful. Do not use it for vibe coding. Done. That's it. Tell you, the one change I'm making is I'm taking it out of my available models list. The Grok 4 code model is free right now on Cursor, and I was like, maybe I'll dig into that. No, I will not be doing that. Okay, hopefully you got something out of this video, and at least you saw that Grok is just not there. It's not even close. Like, not even close. It's like, I don't know, a couple of years behind the other LLMs in this stuff. I don't know. My mind is a little blown here. I've got goodies in the description. Make sure to hit up that Vibe Marketing Launcher, which gives you a crap load of marketing assets. All you got to do is put it in your website. It's 100% free. And I'll see you in the next video.